In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the XT15 pop top ready for camping. To open up the step on your caravan, put your hand in the back and push down on the bar at the back and pull it forward, give it a nudge down and lock it into place. Once you've got your gas connected up ready to go, before you start your Truma hot water system, you need to come out to the side of the caravan, open up this cover. This is a dust cover additional from MDC. Then you need to remove the Truma standard cover. To do that, put your thumbs in just here, grab the tab at the top and take it off. That is now ready to start up your Truma hot water system on the inside. Once your caravan's on nice level patch, all ready to go, you've got it adjusted to the right height with the jockey wheel, you need to put all 4 stabiliser legs down. To do that, you'll need this brace that comes with your caravan. Grab the blue handle, take the weight off the leg itself and swing it down into position. Give it a wiggle until the handle locks into place. Then put the brace on and wind it down. Wind it down until it's firm. Don't try and lift the whole weight of the caravan with it. It's not meant to be a jack, it is a stabiliser leg to keep it still. Setting up the awning is easy. It's electric and it has limit switches, so when it comes to full extension, it will cut out and stop running. For the purpose of this one, I'm going to set the legs up off the side of the caravan on the little white holders that are already put in place there. Simply switch it to out or open on the switch selection. As the awning comes out, where possible, keep a couple of finger hold on it so if the wind gets it, it's not going to get out of control and damage it. As it comes out and you can actually reach up under the fascia here, you can pull the legs out ready to put in place on the side of the van or peg them into the ground. As you do this, make sure you pull the hinge end out so the hinge comes to full extension before you lower the legs down. Otherwise, you can actually pop the hinge out of its little holder. You can get it back in, but it is a bit of a nuisance. When putting the legs in these little white clips, raise the top up, undo the leg, put the foot in first, then pull the little cap down on top of it, which will keep it captive in that holder. So in a little bit more detail, with the little footing here for the awning, lift the cap up like that, extend the leg out and put the bottom of this little silver clip in first, like that. Then press the cap down on top of it. That's now captive, it'll stay put. Adjust your awning leg to get the fascia at the right height and lock the cam lock in. Now it's ready to use. Before we open the roof of our caravan, we need to undo all 4 latches. There's 1 in each corner of the caravan. Simply remove the little clip out of the way, undo the latch and pull it out of the way. Once all 4 are done, we can start by opening up the front end of the roof first. When opening the XT15PT roof, you need to start at the front. So once you've undone all 4 latches, you need to pull up on this handle and raise the front of the roof first. There's 2 ways of doing it. You can do it this way, or my preferred way is just to lay down on the bed and a little bit of light bench pressing. Push it all the way up and lock the little chrome tab in place. That'll hold it up there. Do that both ends. There you go folks, that's how easy it is to set up the XT15PT.